guys, so today we're here with Hurela hair again. The last time I got a wig from this company, it was so bomb. That's the one where I did the Cardi B inspired, look, something like, yeah. So same packaging as last time. Has all their socials on the front here. And when I open the box, we have some 613 here, obviously. But before we get to the wig, I got a wig cap. And I also got a scarf. I got this. That's everything that I got in today's package. Not a lot, but I'm excited nonetheless. Because we got blonde hair, and baby, whenever I get blonde hair, I get excited. You guys know from my past couple of videos I've been experimenting with more colors, and I see that you guys are enjoying that. And I see that you actually like when I do, little mini makeovers. I enjoy doing them too. So I will try to do them more here and there as much as I can. So this is actually 24 inches that we're working with today. As I said before, it's a 613. It's a body wave. It's actually a deep part. I'm happy about that. And it's full. I can feel it, like, definitely I can feel it in the texture. It's not like super fine. You can feel it. This is processed here already, so it will have some flyaways and stuff, but it's gorgeous. Body wave 613 here. Shade check. I got 2 strands. Let's run our fingers through that. Got one more strand. Run our fingers through that again. Okay, so I'm getting just a couple strands, and I understand because it's processed here. Also, this has dark roots. Sometimes I actually love when it's blonde right from the roots, but I mean, it's not that bad. I love the graduation of it, and it's not too brown. It also comes with baby hairs in the front, and it's pre-plucked. I must say, I love how Hurela does their wig hairlines. They always, like, for the last one, it was plucked really nicely. This one is pre-plucked again, so I love that. And as I said, it's 24 inches long. So the cap construction is like, it has 3 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back. And that's how the lace looks, pretty standard. Yeah, so we're gonna jump into installing this right now. I don't know what it is, guys, but every time I'm working with 613 here, I get so excited because I usually, most of the time, I transform them into different colors. But today I'm excited because I want to make this bone straight. My last 613 wig that I installed, I did a whole body wave vibe with it. I gave it some nice luscious curls. And so for today's look, oh my gosh, this is so full. I think this is one of the fullest 613 wigs I've ever received. That's not bad. So I love the density. I want to give this a nice precise center part as well. But I'm pretty much just going to jump into got to being this down.
Those hazard lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from this high. Now with you, now with you, this high. Can't give up.
As I said before, I'm going to be doing a middle part. Guys, I'm not the best at making the straightest parts. I'm really not, but I try my best. My wax stick and my hot comb, they're my best friends for this step all the time.
Sunset lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky.
I love how easy it was for me to lay the roots because, as I said before, this is a very dense, very dense wig. Well, not very, but it's a dense. For 613 here, usually it not comes so full. So like it feels really good. I love the fact that it's so full and the texture feels strong, you know. Yeah, this would have been really nice with some wave, but as I said, my last 613 here that I applied, I did waves for that. So today I'm gonna get this bone straight. I'm just gonna kind of fast forward through this whole process because I'm not gonna lie, for 24 inches this feel like 26 on me. Of course you guys know I'm a shorty, I'm 5'1". Yeah, it will look longer on me because I'm shorter, so yeah.
Give up this
sleek. It really wasn't hard to straighten and get sleek. I didn't add any product to this for it to be this sleek. The only part that I applied anything was here when I was laying the roots, and it cooperated beautifully. I love the luster. Look at that movement. It has some weight to it. I'm not used to that with 613 here. The ends, they look good. They're not stringy. Like, it's nice and full right throughout. I love that about it. It was really easy to work with, really easy. So Hurela, I'm gonna need to continue trying out Hurela because this is the second wig and I would definitely give this a 10 for 613 here. Apart from the shedding, definitely has a little bit of shedding. Right now I'm not getting anything from it, but initially when you guys saw me take it off to unbox it, it had just 1 and 2 strands coming out, and I mean, I understand because it's processed here, yes, but apart from that, it's A1. The density is good, the luster, the movement, all of that. So I'm going to be sure to put all the information, all the specifications on this wig in my description box. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check that out. Look at that. Look at that. It's gorgeous. You want to stay tuned to see what I come up with. Definitely going to try a color that I've never tried before. So stay tuned for that. But that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and do so. Like this video, share it, comment, let me know if you like the look. You know, I'd recommend this if you're looking for a nice 613 here to go bone straight with. Okay, it's gorgeous. And as I said, this is 24 inches, but it feels like 26 on me. Okay, but yeah, enough of my rambling. That's it for today. And I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.